Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn that 100% free certified SME cybersecurity officer. This is the online cybersecurity training for business owners, complete online course anytime, and certification exam included with this. So ICTTF 2026. So 100% free certified SME cybersecurity officer course take the first step towards the protecting your business from the cyber threats. In this video we are going to learn and we are going to discover that certified SME cybersecurity officer online course designed especially for the non-technical small and medium sized business, so SME owners who wants to understand and manage the cyber risk efficiently. So course highlight is that there is a 100% free registration online and self-paced learning and start anytime 90 days duration recommended commitment 5 to 6 hours and certification exam is included and designed for the non-technical SME owners and manager focus on the practical cyber risk management for the business. Whether you are a business owner, interpreter, startup founder, or manager looking for the strengthen your organization cybersecurity awareness, this course provides a valuable introduction to the protecting your company. So official course page is this one. When we will open this page, so this is a certified SME cybersecurity officer and provided the ICTTF. This is the International Cyber Threat Task Force. So there is a option is sign in, sign up, and this is the online course format and starting date anytime, duration is 90 days, online access 5 to 6 hour, optional extra and exam included, and there is only free. Okay, so you can register with this exam and you can sign up first. So when you click on the sign up, you will get all the details. There is a first name, your full name, your email address, password, and confirm password, then phone number, address, country, company website, job roles, and other details you can find there. And sign in with the account. And I'm going to just sign in with the Google. When you click on the Google, it will ask you the to choose an account. So click your account. So we are logged in, and later on we can do this one. So recommended 10 I'm giving. So submit. So done. Now you can check all the details. And here is the certified SME cybersecurity officer. So let me some bigger size. So this is the certified CSO, and this was certified SME cybersecurity officer CSO 90 days. And when you click on the continue, so you can find the course detail. Here you start and just complete the course, and there is a course full details is there. Let me click again, and all the details you can find. So with the time also path, learner discussion, and module by module you have to complete this. And there is a we have to complete this one in within 90 days, and finally we have a certificate completion. So this is exam. So ready to start your exam. So click here, and these are the questions. There is a 50 questions are there. When you will complete this all the questions, and you will find a this certification and complete all the modules for learning purpose. And so this is completed. So this video we have learned 100% free certified SME cybersecurity officer and step by step we have to complete all the things. Disclaimer is that this video is created for educational and informational purpose only under the fair use section 107 copyrighted 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. You can support me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.